Have you ever imagined a world where your car can drive itself? A world where your daily commute, long road trips, or errands are no longer limited by human attention, reaction times, or fatigue. That's the promise of Tesla's full self-driving package, often referred to as FSD. But what exactly is FSD, and how close are we to that driverless future Tesla has been envisioning? Let's start by breaking down the basics. Full self-driving is Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, or ADAS, that aims to enable cars to drive themselves under most conditions. While Tesla vehicles already come equipped with standard autopilot features, the FSD package builds on this foundation, offering a suite of tools designed to take automation to the next level. So, what's included in this package? The FSD package includes features like navigate on autopilot, auto lane change, auto park, summon, traffic light and stop sign control, and the highly anticipated auto steer on city streets. Each of these features represents a step toward full autonomy, but let's unpack them individually to see what they bring to the table. Navigate on autopilot is a game changer for highway driving. When activated, this feature allows your Tesla to automatically navigate freeway on-ramps, off-ramps, and interchanges. It'll even suggest and execute lane changes to keep you on the optimal route, all while maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. Imagine cruising down the highway without constantly having to monitor every exit sign or merge point. That's the convenience Navigate on autopilot offers. Next, there's auto lane change. This feature does exactly what it sounds like. It allows your Tesla to change lanes on its own. Once you signal or the system determines a lane change is necessary for efficiency or safety, the car checks for clearance and seamlessly transitions. It's like having a highly attentive co-pilot who's always aware of the traffic around you. Autopark takes the stress out of parking. With this feature, your Tesla can park itself in both parallel and perpendicular spaces. Whether you're in a crowded lot or trying to squeeze into a tight spot on the street, Autopark takes over, handling the steering, braking, and acceleration for a flawless park every time. Then there's Summon and its more advanced counterpart, Smart Summon. Regular Summon allows your car to move forward or backward into tight spaces with just a tap on your phone. Smart Summon takes it a step further by letting your Tesla come to you in a parking lot. Picture this, it's pouring rain, and instead of running to your car, you simply summon it to your location. It's a small taste of the futuristic convenience that FSD aims to deliver. Another cornerstone feature is traffic light and stop sign control. This allows your Tesla to recognize and respond to traffic lights and stop signs. The car can slow down, stop, and even resume driving without human intervention, provided you confirm the system's actions. It's a critical step in enabling city driving automation, where traffic signals and complex intersections are the norm. But perhaps the most talked about feature is auto steer on city streets. While still under beta testing, this functionality is designed to handle urban environments with all their unpredictable variables. Think pedestrians, cyclists, roadwork, and dense traffic. Auto steer on city streets aims to navigate it all, bringing Tesla closer to true full self-driving capability. Now, it's essential to clarify what Tesla means by full self-driving. Despite the name, FSD does not currently make a Tesla fully autonomous. The system is classified as Level 2 automation under the SAE standards, which means the driver must remain engaged and ready to take over at any time. That's right, hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. Tesla has been clear that FSD is not yet a hands-off solution, even as it inches closer to achieving higher levels of autonomy. So, how does FSD actually work? At its core is a combination of hardware and software. Tesla vehicles are equipped with an array of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar to perceive their surroundings. These feed data into Tesla's onboard computer, which uses advanced neural networks to process information and make driving decisions in real time. Tesla calls this their vision approach, emphasizing the use of camera-based perception rather than relying heavily on technologies like LiDAR. What's more, Tesla's FSD software is constantly improving. Thanks to over-the-air updates, new features and refinements are rolled out to Tesla vehicles without the need for a service visit. This iterative approach allows Tesla to harness data from its entire fleet, learning from billions of miles driven to make its systems smarter and safer over time. However, Tesla's full self-driving package is not without controversy. Critics have pointed out that the full self-driving branding can be misleading, as it implies a level of autonomy that doesn't yet exist. Regulatory agencies and safety advocates have also raised concerns about the risks of over-reliance on FSD features, especially when drivers misunderstand the system's limitations. There's also the financial side to consider. The FSD package isn't cheap. As of now, it's priced at $15,000 if purchased outright, or it can be accessed through a subscription model for $199 per month. For many buyers, this raises the question, is it worth it? The answer largely depends on how much value you place on cutting-edge technology and the potential for future advancements. Tesla has promised that today's FSD buyers are essentially investing in a system that will eventually achieve full autonomy, but the timeline for that remains uncertain. And then there's competition. Tesla is not the only player in the autonomous driving game. Companies like Waymo, Cruise, and even legacy automakers like GM and Ford are developing their own self-driving technologies. Each takes a slightly different approach, with some favoring LiDAR and pre-mapped routes over Tesla's vision-based method. The race to full autonomy is as much about philosophy as it is about technology, and only time will tell which approach proves most effective. Despite the hurdles, Tesla's FSD continues to make headlines and attract a loyal following. For many, the allure isn't just about convenience, it's about being part of a revolution. Tesla has a track record of pushing boundaries, whether it's with electric vehicles, renewable energy, or now, autonomous driving. By investing in FSD, buyers aren't just purchasing a feature, they're buying into a vision of the future. But let's take a step back and consider the broader implications. If Tesla and other companies succeed in delivering full self-driving capabilities, what does that mean for society? The potential benefits are staggering: fewer accidents, reduced traffic congestion, and increased mobility for those unable to drive. Yet, the challenges are equally significant. Questions around liability, ethical decision-making, and the impact on jobs in driving-related industries loom large. Tesla's FSD package is undoubtedly a milestone in automotive technology, but it's also a work in progress. It's a glimpse into what could be a transformative shift in how we think about transportation. Whether you view it as a bold step toward the future or a high-stakes experiment, one thing is clear: Tesla's full self-driving package is shaping the conversation about what's next for cars, mobility, and even society at large. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.